Plasma cleaning is a technology that's been around since the 90s, and its main objective is to clean surfaces when you need a level of cleanliness which is at the atomic level. So you want to have a surface that is so clean that you don't have anything on the first layers, so that you can have a better adhesion for your process that you're trying to optimize. So that's the main goal of plasma cleaning. Plasma cleaning is a technology that is quite versatile and flexible. It can be used for many, many different applications, but I can say that mostly the semiconductor, the automotive, the electronic industries are those where plasma cleaning is the most used. Talking about vacuum plasma, in the production of plastics, it's also used a lot, plasma cleaning, in the form of atmospheric plasma. You can use plasma cleaning for many, many different applications in the industries that I mentioned. And one of the applications that we do the most is plasma cleaning before wire bonding for the semiconductor and automotive industries. That is, I would say, the most common application that you can see. And then you have other different applications like plasma cleaning before transfer molding or before underfill dispensing, which are still quite common, but less in terms of volumes. The key factor is that plasma cleaning always helps these processes because it cleans the surface at the atomic level and it improves the adhesion between the two materials that we're trying to put in contact. In general, plasma cleaning is not something that you need to implement 100% of the time. I think the discriminator is the fact that you can have high volume products with that have a low price. And for those, you are prepared to have a different level of quality, and you are also prepared to throw away some of them because they don't meet your factory standards. But that quickly falls when you have some more high added value products where you cannot afford to throw away any of those because they're quite expensive to manufacture. And so the cost of losing those starts to impact the manufacturing operation. For those applications, plasma cleaning is absolutely required in the sense that it allows you to improve the quality of your products. And at the same time, since the quality is better, you're going to have less failure when you're trying to assess the characteristics of what you have produced. You can probably get by not using plasma cleaning, but if you do, you will see a direct improvement, like it's day and night improvement on your application. The quality of the products that you can deliver to your customers is going to be much higher. Therefore, your customers will be happier to work with you, and they will know that they have a stable and reliable supplier. Terms of quality, of course. These studies are typically done by all of my customers when they need to qualify the process. And you can see that there is a huge difference on the test that you can do immediately after the wire bonding or the transfer molding process. But also you do a reliability test. When you stress test the parts, you put them in harsh conditions, and you can see that if you don't have a good adhesion between layers, these parts will fail. The parts that have not been plasma treated will fail much, much more than the plasma treated ones. Sometimes the plasma treated ones don't fail at all. My customers are big companies that work worldwide, and they supply car manufacturers and all sorts of industries. They all use plasma cleaning in the sense that for them, they cannot afford to deliver a product that is of bad quality. Otherwise, the repercussions are huge. Also in terms of safety for the parts that go into cars. There's a lot of regulation which makes sense to protect the people around those. So for those, it's practically impossible to skip this step. All the customers that have high added value products, high quality products, they also do it because they understand that yes, you have to introduce one step more in your manufacturing process. But the benefits of doing so outweighs the cost like a 100-fold. There are a lot of different surface cleaning techniques. Plasma cleaning is the one that allows you to produce best results for these applications, basically. There are other technologies that can be used technically, but in terms of industrial applications, plasma cleaning is the one that is always chosen because of the benefits that it has. You have a reliable output of the results that you need. And so that's why plasma cleaning has been chosen and has been the technology reliably used in industrial level applications for sure.